Hello, I'm back with some interesting questions again. Yes, of course, they're always interesting. So let me read the question here. This question is related to grade 9 CBSE. Of course, it is, math is universal. So you can't relate it to one grade, one board or something. It is universal. These concepts can be used worldwide. Okay, but just for your reference, this is related to grade 8, 9, 10 CBSE, parallel lines and angles. Okay, the question is, in the figure, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, the line AB is parallel to CD. Angle 1 is to angle 2 ratio is 3 is to 2. So if you look at this angle here, angle 1 is to angle 2 is 3 is to 2 ratio. Okay, find angle 6. So what the question tells us that, yeah, so if you say it's angle 1 is to angle 2 is 3 is to 2. Okay, what is angle 6? So we have to find out this angle 6. When we say the angles are in ratio, we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 are 180. Why? Because they are supplementary angles, isn't it? Do you observe carefully here? Angle 1 and 2 are linear pair of angles or supplementary angles because they are forming a straight line here. If you add these two, that should be 180 degree. As we say, the ratio is 3 is to 2. That means 180 degree will have total 5 parts, isn't it? Parts because it's 3 is to 2. So 3 plus 2. Okay. So can we divide 180 into 5 equal parts first? Then we'll find for angle 1 and angle 2. And 180 divided by 5 gives us 36. Okay, so your angle 1 is 36 times 3. Yeah, 9. And this, no, not 9. Yes, 36 times 3, that is 30 times 3 is 90. 90 plus 18 is 108. Okay, so your angle 1 is 108. So your angle 2, which is going to be 36 times 2, is going to be 72. In fact, you need not even find out angle 1 here. Finding angle 2 is enough. Okay, once you know the angle 2 is 36 times 2 because it is a second part. The ratio is 3 is to 2. So angle 1 is 3 parts of total 180 and angle 2 is 2 parts of 180. Okay, so here you can say angle 2 is 72 degree. And once you know that angle 2 is 72 degree, you should be able to establish the relation between angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6 because they are corresponding angles. Okay. Corresponding angles. So you can see that angle 6 is also 72 degree, which is option C, and that is the correct answer. Yeah, I hope you understood this question. And if you have any queries over this, do comment. Thank you. Also do comment which topic you want to learn from, which questions you want to work on more. That will help me to create the content. Thank you.